Hi, welcome to everyone Geo Info YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, kill the subscribe button and click the bell icon. If you daily update the video, www.geoinfo.com, you can see all the latest videos and education. Today we are seeing one interesting app. First, you go Google and type for ice cream app. For I already typed here. You see ice cream app. This is very soft for is really helpful for educational and YouTuber very helpful. So let's go. Don't waste time. Go ice cream app. This is a ice cream app. Very helpful app. This is a ebook readers and slideshow maker, PDF converter, and PDF fluid merger and image resize and PDF candy. This all things is there. Apart from also PDF editor, video editor, screen recorder. Just to do example today we'll see. If you want to, you go this visit this website. You can download. For example, you can click. For example, video editor. For example, I click here. If you have really download for here. So if you want to download, you can go and download these apps. So now we'll be see one by one this app's usage. First one is PDF editor. Icecream PDF editor is a simply convert to editing for your PDF related objectives. Next one is video editor. You know very YouTube members very well know about the video editor. This is helpful for create the professional videos and freely you want to do edit that type of. Another one is screen recorder. If you know how like screen is recording, same like you can do your screen recording everything. Another one is ice cream ebook editor. Even this is for EPU based MOPI like a popular format you can utilize. And another one is slide side maker. Today we can see slide side maker. Upcoming video we can see another related. So GIS, this ice cream slide share, you can make the slide share. I will be explained later. Another one is PDF converter. You convert to PDF to the easily for them. Another one is split merge images. You can do anything where you want to merge the image or split cut the image. You can do here. And the image resize. You can resize arrange any images. And PDF candy. PDF candy also ice cream of this is also PDF converted for this also. So let's go today we see one of them for the I already installed my mobile, so sorry, install my laptop, so we can go and see. This is first one. We go for ice cream slider. So ice cream slider, just open it few seconds. If you nobody can not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and like it and share it to your friends and comment me. If you have any doubts, you put on comments. Search the new slides I given first. So I make the big size first here, add the photos. What are the photos? If you want to take from there, I can add the photos from my desktop. For example, I take from photos here. So just a few, some photos I will take here and upload for here. They're asking update, no need to give an update. First one is they given and on slides for them. For example, this is how much second. For example, this add photos, this add folder. Suppose you want to this all thing one folder likes, you go and select the folders, you can add that folders likes. Another one is add colors. If you want to any colors, if you want to add, you can add for them. For example, I select one color, this blue color, so I can here you see the color should be automatically add for them. That like you can add for them. So next one is we'll go start first slide. So first slide I'm selecting. So my slide is there. So if I want to type anything, I can type here. For example, I type our channel name. So I can type it here where I want to put right or left, where I want to put, I can left size, you can size. If you want to font size, you want to change, you can change the font size. If you want to any color, if you want to change, if you, for example, you can change any color, they can color changes for them. So if you want to, whatever you want to do, you can do everything from this one. For example, I select on colors. For if you want to any backgrounds, for example, like this, like if you want to that, like also you can do. If you want code, if you want to zoom, like want to this, like want to come, you can make it everything here. Whatever that data, you can type here and save it. That's also automatic save. If you want to save that this is for I want to come 2 second, 1 second, like now you can put it here. Now you see within play within 1 second come. So automatically go for next slide source, this legs. So you can go for how much time if you want to hear this all scene you can do for here. Next one is if you have, for example, this one, if you file cover, if you want to open here, for example, you can open here, whatever says, for example, black color, split out, in whatever you want to do, you can do. For example, Moscow like given that like will become. So if I want to change here, this one, this like you come. If I want to change here, this like if you come, whatever if you want to, so many options are there. You can select according to your wish. For example, I can select so much of them. For example, I can selecting here so much of, so everything you can do it. This like sub if I want to I add this picture. So this picture I want to, for example, sleeping. Like suppose I can add, if you want to check color, I will put one, select one color here, which area I want to, center la want to or side la, which way, which side I want to put. This is very good for presentation in your college or schools, very helpful for them. You can do wherever if you want to kept, you can kept and save it the data. So automatically that slide that will be, if you no need, if anything, for example, this slides I no need, for example, I can delete for the slides, so automatically deleted will be. For example, these slides, for example, I can do the slides whatever there. If you can I do anything I can do. And one more things apart from this all things, for example, if you want to, if you want to histories anything want to see, you can see here histories whatever there, you can see whatever everything. Suppose I want to add one music, for example, add the background of music, go and select one music and upload it. So everything will be upload. Now if you want to everything, if you upload it finish, so next one is last version of open. If you want to change the name any folder, for example, if I want to put jeyam info, jam like I put now whatever I want to put, I can put here name changes for here. Afterwards you can create it. This is, you want to preview, if you want to see give the preview, the preview see here with music that everything will come for full view. If you want to whatever there you can see here. If you want to reduce the volume, I can reduce the volume here. I show the preview of this all pictures. You can do very nice for you. For example, if you want to go front, back, forward, reverse, and if you want to duplicate, if you want to stuff the photos, for example, this photo want to come upstairs, now you can select here and change, for example, and stuff the photos. If you automatically there, you can change the position photo. You see here, one more time I given, you see this side, automatically change. If you want to anything, that like you can change here. ABC order, which order if you want to. If you have, if you, for example, I have to be here one is there, 10 also is there. Suppose I want to, this photo want to here, I want to come, I can change the position also. This is very helpful. And suppose preview only finished, now you go for creative. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade. Help if you want to settings. For example, you want to settings, how much second you want to, how much seconds you want to, you can select them, click cover, what type you want to. Already show that type you can do. Transition time, how much you want to, you can select for them. Means rotation time. Next one is for them resolution, how much your resolution want, you can select for them where you want to save. If you want to save desktop, you can put here, you can save. For example, save the settings I given for you. Next I go for creating. So just a few minutes seconds there, go for creating. You have see here down, here down you can see here their creating process. Here you can see here creating process is going on. So this all, that's all. Anyhow we go in between gap, that is creating happen. So after creating in between gap we can go, this is another one same, that ice cream app. Another one is, this is screenshot. If you open here, if you want to open, you can click here and open it. And if you want to, which area you want to select, you can select here. Suppose I want to take screenshot, just I click here, put the name b, for example. Okay, so that photo I see here, I already take in desktops. So if you want to here, I told just now I say no, pbf come here. If you open here, mind the gap is also still download is going on. So next we can go for here. For example, sample I will be some video shooting here. For example, video recorder is there. Another one is, so I can open it here. And video recorder, you see here already I record that video should be come here automatically. If you play that video, So previously I can put this, you see here my video, all this is recorded video. So what can I do, that all things come here. This is another one apps very helpful for you, so video recording purpose. So next one is for them, this image I told, for example, I show the image video, sorry, again I open the videos. So I can open ice cream screenshot. So you can see here, open the ice cream screenshot. You open it and see here, my desktop will be take the screenshot. This is another one very helpful for them, ice cream screenshot and ice cream videos and ice cream street. This all type of activities. And the next one is, if you, this one still going on 73%. If you have finished, we can see. So in between I told for them, this all things so many helpful for these apps. You can do whatever the work you can do for them. And go and visit, don't forget icecreamapp.com, very helpful for them, you. And visit my website and to support me, this is my channels to, so many videos are there, you can support for me. And upcoming videos for education purpose, you can select the playlist, what types of, you can go and select the playlist, what type of video if you want to, you can see that type of video shot, everything should be available. So thank you for them, and follow me Instagram, Twitter and Facebook and social media. So info by YouTube channel, so that's all. We'll go and see this app. If you want to anything more, you put on command, I will be replies to you. Just a minute, still 86% will be finished. We can see the videos per month. This is very helpful for especially teachers, school members, very helpful for them. You can do for your everything. So we can wait and see. In the gap, I told, no, my, this is the geoinfobite.com website. You can see here website, upcoming whatever my blogs, whatever related, everything upcoming related, educational and awareness, YouTube's, all related. I will upload my website also. So you can visit and share it. So let's, in upcoming days I can upload so many innovative videos to helpful for you to take their teaching levels, for clipboards, for the fighting boards, like how can you utilize that, like so many videos. So I will show you teachers, very helpful for them, these types, for videos for helping for you. And one more thing, if you have any doubts, and put on comments and ask to me. Okay, 99% finished, but target should be finished. We can wait and see. Okay, if you want to YouTube upload, you can do. If you want to Google Drive drops, whatever you can do here. Just I want to open the folder. Just to click the button and open the folders. I'm waiting. Yeah, see here that folder name I given jeyam. So open that same name. So I click here and open for the file. Just a few. So this is a demo I show for you. For you want to means you can do it. For example, you can add anything. Your creativeness is, see here, sleeping income. So whatever there, you can add the any pictures according to your wish, and you can do it for them. That likes for every video. For example, subscribe channel I put print also. You can wait, see here is ice cream apps. So again I will change the place, so again it becomes whatever work you can do for them. That's your creativeness faces only. That's all. If you have, that's all. Few seconds I show these videos. I think everything finished. Okay, thank you all of you very much to subscribe my channel, to motivate and share it to your friends. Watch and follow me. Thank you very much.
இதுவரை ஜெயம் இன்ஃபோ 5 சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க கீழே இருக்க ரெட் கலர் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணி சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. கூடவே பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. இது போல அருமையான வீடியோ